So there you have it, guys. That exhaust note on the Pagani V12 twin turbo is more than enough to put a smile on anyone's face. I mean, I'm still smiling. It's just absolutely insane. I literally felt a rush of adrenaline actually just standing behind that car, and that was just starting the car up and actually revving it. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I am hoping to actually catch up with the Pagani expert a little bit later on, and run through in detail some of the specs and features of that car, because it's actually quite a very interesting, very fascinating car. So until next time, guys, or rather until later,